students. How are you all? I hopefully believe that you all are quite fine. Over here in this video we will discuss about chapter 3rd, poetry section, Flamingo class 12th, and chapter 3rd is Keeping Quiet from a poetry section written by, composed by Pablo Neruda. And guys, first of all we will know about the poet that Pablo Neruda is a Chilean poet who started writing at the age of 13. And Pablo Neruda was the pen name, maiden name, later it became a legal name. Before it was Neftali Ricardo Reyes Basalto, original name, but he adopted pen name as Pablo Neruda. He was a famous poet, politician and diplomat of Chile. Over here we will know about the poem Keeping Quiet. Keeping quiet means to remain quiet, or to be silent, to be quiet, peaceful. So we will know about the poem Keeping Quiet. What is Keeping Quiet? Actually the poem was originally written by Pablo Neruda in Spanish, but later it translated to English. Its main aim, main thrust, main purpose was the significance of mindfulness, introspection and retrospection of these lead to attention towards unity, towards brotherhood. And in this poem Neruda talks about the necessity of quiet introspection and creating a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings, among people. And now over here a summary of the poem Keeping Quiet. Keeping Quiet is a poem, as a peaceful poem written by the Chilean poet Pablo Neruda. The poet asks humanity to count numbers from 1 to 12, being the numbers of hours shown in a clock, whatsoever shown in a clock, from 1 to 12. He requests everyone not to speak because languages create barriers between people among us, and so the moment when everyone stops moving their body, stops talking, conversation will be very special and different, as we have never experienced such a brightful, peaceful moment before in our life. The poet says that in this period of inactivity, in period of silence, pin drop silence, the fisherman would not harm the whales, fishes, and the salt gatherer, collector of salt, will not hurt their hands, their bodies. They will also remain safe if they will not move their body, if they will not work, if they will not speak anything. And those who are busy, those who are destroying the nature, will adopt a new approach towards life. Means those who are destroying, creating hazardous situation in the nature, they will adopt they will get a new approach towards life. And the man who are preparing for wars and victory, who are thinking about war, battle and victory based on death of innocent people, will join their enemy, will bring out their enemy and stand in unity with them, doing nothing. No one harm himself or any other person. Everyone will unite and ponder upon his act and realize the result of his deeds. So over here Pablo Neruda clarifies his idea and say further that he does not want that people should stand idle. He wants that there should be no war, because he does not want to see trucks laden with dead bodies of soldiers. So the poet is not in favor of battle in wars or conflict, contentions, but he wants to live a peaceful life. He wants to live in a peaceful life. He is prompting universal brotherhood and peace, tranquility, spontaneousness in life of human being. And the poet sees that everyone is working continuously to achieve one's goal, to achieve one's own aim, purpose. And here Pablo Neruda says that in this mad rush, he wants us to pause and come out of the mad rush. He wants to escape himself, and also he provide information, suggestion toward to human being to be far from rush, crowd, mobatic situation. He wants us to be happy about our achievement and celebrate them. Whatsoever your achievement, try to celebrate, try to rectify and satisfy yourself. Don't rush behind more and more things. Whatsoever you like in your life, there is no limitations of necessity. We cannot complete our necessity at a time. So poets say that whatsoever is your achievement, celebrate them. He wants us to overcome the fear and death and to relax for a while. We should know the result of our deaths will remain quiet for a while. They will realize the purpose of their lives, just like all the creations of nature undergo a rebirth for the human soul. It will give a new meaning to our life. Again, the poet says finally that he will count till 12 and ask everyone to remain quiet while he lives it. Means Pablo Neruda wants to say, he likes to say that everyone should be calm and quiet, should be meditative towards their goal of life. We should not be in hurry always, be quiet, and finally we will achieve our goal of life. And thus poet suggests us. Thank you all of you. I hopefully believe that you all would like summary of the poem, about the poem and about the poet Pablo Neruda. Thanks all of you.